guys, it's Ricky Bobby here. So today's video is a little bit different because I had to record it over the course of 4 days. Reason being is because I'm showing you my 4-day hair routine. I've said this before and I'll say it again. I literally hate washing my hair. So naturally, I've perfected the art of styling dirty hair. Let's talk about dry shampoo. It's actually the key in having fresh hair every day. So in addition to spraying it when you get ready in the morning, I actually spray it at night as well so that it soaks up the natural oils in my hair and then I wake up with fresh hair. It's basically magic. So today I'm using the Power One Pro handle and I got it from Amazon, and I'm using the oval attachment that comes in the bundle. It does come with a bunch of different attachments as well, so I will link those below so you can check those out. Anyway, let's get started. as always, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and check out my messy French braid tutorial as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new content released every week. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, the handle is Ricky Bobby Style. So check me out there as well. Thanks for watching.